We should just do this. We'll just drive around the weird neighborhood. Just and then drive off. Yo, chill. Fuck. Yo, chill. What's the good now? Yo, turn out of this. Ready? You guys just hold your brake. Hold your brake. Do it out. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit.
Hey, that worked out.
Something like a burn mark on the side. Yeah. James.
Oh god.
There goes someone's mailbox. Oh, the only system it is for. Oh, what are you? Is that your mailbox? That's my mailbox. No, I was thinking of one. No one in the mailbox. No one in the mailbox. We'll open the mailbox. Oh, alright. Oh, yeah. I was thinking of Call of Duty. What's in your car?
Please, let's be very, not that much, because I don't want the cops actually do come.
Put one in each of those buckets. Heads up.
What are you doing? Stop taking my stuff out.
Hey, let's go to the beach and like... That was a dog.
You stop playing with
Derek, I kind of gave those to you. Like, I wanted you to...
Oh, yeah.
Let's start doing it to people's mailboxes. That's not against the law.
No, it's not.
Dude, we need a cherry bomb or something. No, something else.
Put that in someone's mailbox.
Because my dad called the police and it was alright. And he said that you can't do it in a residential area.
Oh, so we don't even do it here anymore?
No.
Oh.
School's not a residential.
We're do behind a school?
Yeah. It's not a residential area.
It's still dumb.
Oh my god, is that I got about 50 cherry bombs behind us. Are you ready? Let's go. There you go. Hold on.
Dude, there's a car behind us.
It doesn't matter. Go. It won't do it. Fuck.
Still.
No, it doesn't. That's what I'm saying. Dude, I should have sat up front.
Fine.
I know, someone should have
somebody
been.
with balls, I'm like, there. How do you do that? I hate fires.
I hate fire too. My house caught on fire.
That's no reason for you to hate fire. I didn't throw it. I'm gonna have to do it left-handed, man. Throw it! Oh, no. Dennis! Shit, why did you do the fuck? It's dead. Dude, Bob, we're not doing that again, dude. I just got burned. You're not good, are you? You're not a good driver. What? I'm turning around. So I can have this window open. Oh. Hey, just get in the middle. Throw it! Throw it! Throw it! No, that's a dud.
That wasn't a dud.
That wasn't a dud. Dude, they're gone.
And I just...
We can't go past him, he's got the stupid thing. How many are in there?
I don't want to go across it, man.
Get fucking poison ivy.
I don't want to get fixed.
How many are in there?
Fuck!
God!
That was awesome!
Oh my god!
Man. Are those supposed to be like?
Oh, that's pretty.
Watch the sweat. Look at that finger. Smell my finger. I get hit by anything, I'll kick your head.
Long ass fuck.
Matt, we were on there?
Whoa! Holy shit.
Well, that's
You keep backing up.
I know.
Of course there's a black guy running across the screen.
I don't think they see me though. They'll see them blink.
It's a white hood.
James is shooting them off. He's shooting at right at us. Run.
Dude, that's quick.
I just in my pants. Don't worry.
That's quick.
Yeah, it was really
He is quick.
Oh shit! What the fuck you looking at, bro?
Oh.
Bro, that shit ain't funny. Yo, get the camera out of my face.
That's girl stuff right there.
Yeah, that's girl stuff.
No offense.
Someone was just fucking with the fence.
It's mud.
That was fun.
I just heard somebody fuck with the fence.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone cops come behind us.
I know.
That was
like, hey,
Fuck
We're
her
right
up
here, we're just here to see this stuff.
and pick it up fast.
That's pussy shit. Pussy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know why they don't do like 4 big ones at once. And then I could be like this.
You saw what you're doing when you're on camera.
Oh my god.
National Day of Pissing Off Cops.
National Day of
Dude, let's get
only
some
pissing
bologna.
off cops in fucking state of New York.
Fucking Holly, dude, the first night that the chief got his new car.
Oh,
fucking
Really?
bologna all over.
Oh no.
That's gonna be good. Nah, but nah.
Pussy.
You want to take this? Yeah, just sit down. Are you gonna make a fucking roof bomb? Yeah, why not?
Legit one.
This is gonna be legit.
Oh, that's just aluminum.
He reacts with
What? Yeah, we're gonna do it over there. We need to only spread this so make you know these small balls.
whoa.
That just
That
dropped it.
backfired.
Yo. Here, take this shit. Jim got burned. Did he?
Did he?
Yeah. I heard him too.
Honey.
Just kiss it for him later.
She will be like.
I like that because Jim can run it and save his own ass. Ready?
Don't get that in your fingers, bro.
I know, I've done it.
You better chuck that far and lunge. Don't get it in their face though, because then we really will have to run.
No, we would hear it.
It's like the super.
I know.
It's gonna go off.
Dude, are they
Nobody's letting off my fucking fireworks, you retard. That's the people in the track.
Just hang tight. Works bombs will surprise you.
That was nice.
Was it?
That's pussy shit. Pussy shit.
Ask! That thing's still.
You get your arm off me.
I missed 2 minutes, but I can't get it.
I don't even know why. Get closer, get closer.
Whoa, nice. I got background sound effects from work.
My back looks nice.
Oh, nice. But it's too close. Oh, nice.
Do it again! Hey. I didn't turn my camera up. Be right there. Oh, then.
Yeah, right on
No.
the
Tell me when. Now?
Yeah, 8 months, Matt. Read it and week. I'm just kidding. No, that was a dick moment. I'm gonna.
That's not nice.
If you punch me in the face, I'll take it. I'll be like, I understand, Matt.
Okay.
No, don't hit me in the face. Brittany will hit me in the nuts for her.
When you do it.
Move your
I did off the thing. And then, like, I did a little pow, wham. I'm on a boat, motherfucker!
Oh, I'm in the grass.
I fucked a gopher!
Oh shit, this is on tape. Yo, that better not be leaked to Facebook.
I won't. I know what to edit. Don't
Or
worry.
at least keep it for your own fast.
That works bomb's gonna get off any minute.